Welcome to Click and Flow, your go-to channel for mastering modern productivity with the help of AI. Here, we break down the best AI tools, browser extensions, and digital workflows that help you save time, boost output, and unlock your creative potential. Whether you're a freelancer, student, or side hustler, this is where you'll learn to work smarter, not harder. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools in 2025 that feel almost illegal to use. Why? Because they give you such a massive, unfair advantage that you'll wonder how they were even free. Let's start with number 1, Gamma AI. Imagine making pitch decks, presentations, and full websites in under 5 minutes. Type a single prompt and it designs everything, polished and professional. No more spending hours tweaking slides. Number 2, Perplexity AI. It's like ChatGPT, but on steroids. It doesn't just generate answers, it cites sources, gives real-time data, and makes research effortless. If Google had a smarter younger sibling, this would be it. Number 3, Runway Gen 3. This one's insane. You can create full cinematic videos using only text prompts. Want a sci-fi city flyover or a product ad? Just type it in, and Runway delivers Hollywood-level results instantly. Number 4, Durable AI. Need a business website? Durable builds a professional site, complete with copy, design, and SEO optimization in less than 30 seconds. For entrepreneurs, this is like having a digital agency in your pocket. And finally, number 5, 11 Labs. This tool clones voices with eerie accuracy. You can generate realistic narrations, replicate your own voice, or even create multiple characters. It's so good it blurs the line between real and AI-generated audio. Here's the twist. These tools aren't just cool, they're disruptive. They change the way we work, study, and even create content. And while they're free now, history tells us they won't stay free forever. So the real question is, will you be someone who takes advantage of them now? Or will you wait until they're behind a paywall? If you found value in this, hit that like button, share it with a friend who loves productivity hacks, and subscribe to Click and Flow for more AI tools, digital workflows, and creator hacks that will keep you ahead in 2025. Work smarter, not harder, and I'll see you in the next one.